Jain student, today we are going to discuss the another chapter, that is directing. In management, after having done planning, organizing, staffing, directing began. So for competent persons have been appointed on the post created in the organizations. Now the important questions that arise in as to how the entire human machinery of the enterprise will move. To answer these all the questions, the fourth function of management, that is directing. In directing, people posted at different posts are so influenced that they are start moving toward their goal, their work automatically, and finally contribute to the acknowledgement of the objective of the enterprises. So directing refers to instructing, guiding, communicating, and inspiring people so that the objective can be achieved. It is that part of the management process which ensures the efficiency and effectiveness of the employee, or it is also called a management in action. The definitions of direction is executive functions of guiding and observing subordinate. Directing is telling people what to do, seeing that they do it to the best of their ability. It includes making assignment, explaining procedures, seeing that mistakes are correct, providing on the job instruction, and for of course issuing order. The feature of directing intent action after completing the staffing function of management. The important question that arises is to how the entire human machinery will move. The directing function of management, while other function prepare ground for action in intent action. Next, directive take place at every level of management. Directing is required to at every level of management. The top level manager direct their subordinate who are middle level management. In the same manner, the level manager direct their subordinate who are the supervisory level manager. The supervisory level manager the further direct the subordinate. Next, directing is a continuous process. The work of a manager is not merely organized by issuing direction and instruction. He has to constantly review the work of the subordinate, guide them correctly, and also motivate them from time to time. He has to constantly ensure that work is progressing as per the plan. In case of any negative deviation, he has to take corrective action immediately. Next, directing flow from top to bottom. Direction flow from top to bottom. It starts from the top level management and end at the supervisory level of management. Now the importance of directing. It intensive action. The employee are appointed up to the first three functions of management: planning, organizing, and staffing. But they cannot commence their job until they are not informed about what to do, how to do. The manager perform this job through the direction. Thus, it is evident that it is direction with intensive action in a organization. Next, it integrate employee effect. Many employee work in an organization. The activity of all the correlate. Success of organization is possible only when everybody does their job efficiently. If any one of employee in the employee chain does not perform up to the mark, it adversely affects the performance of remaining employee. Or it is essential to establish the coordination among all the activities. The manager establishes this coordination by supervising, providing good leadership, motivating the exchanging idea with his subordinate. Next, it is a mean of motivation. The objective of organization can be only achieved by motivate employee. Motivate employee work with the full direction and with the feel of belongingness. The work of motivating employee can be optimized through the direction functions of management. Next, it also create balance in the organization. Sometimes there is a clash between the individual organizational objective. Directing help to settle down the clash and create the balance in the organization. On the one hand, a person work in organization for fulfillment of his objective like higher salary, promotion, etc. On the other hand, objective of a company can be earn higher profit, more market share, etc. The manager through direction tell employee how they can fulfill their objective while achieving the organizational objective. Thank you.